Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use min function in LibreOffice Calc. This function is being used in situation when we want to find lowest number from the list of arguments. So for example, we would like to use min function for test numbers column. So I click double time on this one cell, I type here equal sign, then I type min, I open bracket. Now I need to type here the range of arguments. So I select these values. Now I press comma, now I close the bracket and I press enter. How you see, the lowest number from this list is 0.04, so it is the final result, but of course this number may be changed if you will change data in your range. For example, I will change this number to lower. For example, I will type here 2 and I press enter, and how you see, now result has been successfully updated to this value. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.